SRFM ku-104.1 the pumping beat of Vegas lameli bito ke Prince Valley sikhathe alignment time ke la uyathi kusima kuba nagogo Muhadi kusho ukuthi ke singena ku new season sikhathi ngena tu ke calendar yakwantu gogo angikwamukele la msakatweni kunjani
Kunjani mkhulu?
Ngiyaphila wena bowungafana na Father Christmas kusima ufika nema present mayenethi ngoba umsikade every time makufika wena kunelishintsho every time makufika wena kunelishintsho ngakutshela mina namuhla ngigcoke skipa la ehlelweni ngiyacala bengisolo ngigcoke emajezi ukahle
Ngiyabonga mkhulu. No ngiyaphila mkhulu ninjani nini?
No siphilile kwabonakala ngokuthi uthi uyenzabeni kusivele nanti into etoshintsha la niyo meditate
Yazi I dali a hibernation wena mkhulu.
Yeah.
Kodwa sesifikile ekugcineni konyaka wethu.
Yes.
Yeah, so ngatholakala I'm sure easy manje after New Year. I think singene endabeni yethu namhlanje. Le season lesingena kuyo sindule kuma arti, singena manje ku Nudes kaSinguni bari kumphethikazi.
Okay.
Or inzala bantu. So the word Ntu would come from yona le principle lena. So this principle yenzakala in the third vibration of creation, so the material world. And then unut mesbeka into our literature, unut abazali bakhe umoya namanzi. So the principle of shu notef nut wenamkhulu. But better understand unut is bagabaga, the representation of his bagabaga. And those who go deeper into this literature, the sky itself is also a representation of amanzi. And when we look for the literature, it's in a principle that noon or where life begins, the primordial waters. So that is the reflection because Tina says as above, so as below, as within, so as without. So basically, unut is baga, but it's also the water because you see that the principle lena mesitin zala bantu kapa mupeta hati. But the alpha and omega if we're diving into religious content because there's a couple of days ago they celebrate the new year with the first new moon so in August they celebrate their new year. We are at so basically the alpha and omega, so we're basically at the beginning and the end at the same time.
Yes.
You know, so this principle when you see in literature uzabona it's a woman with a belly full of stars. Belly full of stars. So it's a woman deity and it's forming the arc yomhlaba. So it's bending over and then la phansi is ugeb. So for those also who are looking for a perfect partner, so what you know as Virgo, we're actually in the Pisces season. So as you see in astrology, but Pisces so that is the dustbin of the zodiac. But basically, it means that the Pisces zodiac, it contains all the other zodiacs, all the other 11 zodiacs. So a person not Pisces, but not to discourage other houses. Obviously, I'm biased speaking like this. So it's actually the season of Pisces when we're tracking our zodiac wheel. Aries, and then as we're going around the zodiac wheel, Pisces. So that's why it's the dustbin of the universe. But at the end, and it contains everything. All the other deities. Your kid is contained in the belly of Unut. So then she's the sky goddess as well. So all the cosmic bodies now, so they reside there. So as above, so as below. So Nut would represent when Namkulu, the cosmic womb. So it's Bele, it was Gamma. So everything, every material thing that we see here is from the union that gave no Nut or Umhlaba Nisbagabaga. So kule season lena mkhulu njengoba ngisho ukuthi we are at the end. We know ukuthi ngo-August angithi kuba nale dust le nkulunkulu. And now August we know with our calendar it resides now ihlukaniswa uma-art angithi ma-art ithe uyeza after the chaos kasethe and uyashanyela. But now also ekugcineni also because it happens in August, it represents the final cleansing that we need. So Tina, we have a little ritual that we do. So ngale season lena ukwamukela the new year. So for these 30 days, so qala kusasa up until the 23rd of September, we are in a 30-day fast. So from 6 a.m. up until 6 p.m. I see this, so you can eat before, but definitely after when the sun sets. Because when we hear nomphahlo kaNuthi wena mkhulu, uphahlo kaNuthi, it denotes ukuthi uNuthi is that principle eqaleni of the day, but ilanga, yes, of course. uNuthi uzala ilanga, and then at the end of the day, she swallows the sun again. So that is the movement again. Ukuthi empumalanga ilanga liyavela when the sun starts, and then at the end, entshonalanga, that's the day end. And it's a renewal process over and over and over and over. So that is why, the sun is the life giver. So that is why uNuthi naye simbiza unzala bantu. So that's why also, mesithola nalombuzo lo othi, so nithi abelungu bona akusabantu na. They don't have the two principles that thina esinayo, right? Yes, abantwana bethu because of the cosmic mother, which is the black woman, right? Or the divine mother, divine mother, the black woman who can give birth to everybody else, right? Thina sinayo leyo gene. So mesibheka in our context, Khehla, mesingayibizi the E gene, iyo this two principle, the two gene, mesithi unobuntu. It speaks to this divine principle, the divine mother or the cosmic mother. Yena unzala bantu, yena muphethahati, umphethakazi, the one that makes all things possible. So let's season lena Khehla, I don't think lezinto lezi esixhumanisa nale season are easy to find, but they can absolutely buy from us. So it is such kancane Khehla. Le period lena kaNuthi, it happens from the 23rd of August up until the 23rd of September. So nge-23 kusasa siyaqala le fast yethu. Those will be joining us so phahla together online. Siyenza umphahlo kaNuthi up until the 23rd of September. And then the color indigo. So indigo is basically the combination of the blue colors as well as red. So that speaks to cosmic life as well as vitality, which is impilo as well. So that color gives that purple bluish color, which is indigo. And then the gemstone, one of the most important stones, okay, not the most important, but please get yourself a lapis lazuli. I like speaking of zona, like these powerful stones, get yourself a lapis lazuli. It's a representation of the sky itself. It's a bluish stone with gold specks. So get a lapis lazuli, a very powerful stone. If you're a chakra Han or a chakra Jain, I'm sure le unayo. So it is a bit more on the expensive side, but the uses are, it's a very important stone for those who work ngamatshe especially. And then the metal is aluminium. So ungathola insimbi zakho, your bracelet in aluminium format. And then the incense is storex, so not easy to find. The scent is ambergris, not easy to find either. So we have something that represents this. And then isihlahla sakhona is a sycamore tree, kapa a fig tree. So that family, yamafeye. So with the trees themselves, mina Khehla, what I like doing, or that wenze like your incense from it, or you burn it. So you make sure season le. So you can drink it. I like making it a tea because sometimes we're eating the wrong food in the wrong season, So innate has always telling us what it is we need to do, which is even resonance when I Khehla. It's alignment time. So even with food, Khehla, we must always make sure we are eating ukudla that's in season and not go with the flow of capitalism or consumerism, where the whole year when utoli orange, whereas just the orange in a sayo, So just make sure with plants and herbs, make sure you're aligned in that so that you're able to be in your highest resonance. And then ilwane is a season lena is an eel, a frog, and a serpent. So but the common theme with all these animals here is high intuition, is the theme renewal or a rebirth, high intelligence, fertility, and abundance. Just a few characteristics these animals. So that's good in Inyoga itself. Inyoga is demonized, in spiritual spaces. With time Satan, but about our majola. Or their totem, it's a snake. But a serpent itself, when I catch them, is very powerful. So that is why it's also demonized in spiritual space. But a serpent in spirituality, when I catch that, it represents another cycle, the continuous cycle of birth, rebirth, or birth and death. That's what it is, it's just another rebirth. But that renewal, there's an episode I did, Prof. Moteka. Yeah, he speaks of the snake symbol, It represents because it's also circular. It represents this movement of the sun, the birth and rebirth again. more bigger like churches like Israel and it's
Yeah.
that thing where so that two thing that they do is again in symbolism of this birth renewal. So a lot of people, but actually the rooting of the practices that we do. And when speaking of inyoka mkhulu, I think masikhuluma ngamashakra ngeke ngayithinta kancane ukuthi the spine itself, you know, it represents when the serpent energy. I can't find it. I've been looking for it. I had it in 2019. It could be about the serpent power, but basically speaking about this base energy that you have at the base of your spine. More, but the kundalini in the chakra space. So when you're able to get that energy to flow up your spine, you know, you're now in other levels. You know. So once you're able to tap into your that serpent energy, you're able to rise now to other levels. But when I the dustbin of the zodiac, you know. I think we haven't completed a whole cycle, so I'm hoping by next year we would have completed a whole cycle. So I like doing that. I mean, all these principles. So speaking of principles, it is such a principle. So principle it's augmentation. So augmentation, augmentation and function is gestation. So gestation, you can think of it as the incubation period. Or the feminine in the womb, that process of your little cup, you know, things that the divine feminine does. But that womb, that process where your heart is built, your spine is built, that pregnancy process, you know, mostly or the cosmic waters, we'll speak of the cosmic waters, mostly that period, I need to that hibernation. We're busy planning, okay, what is it that we want to give birth to in the new season? So Nut is ulomoya lo or supporter, all those things, you know. Only speaking of augmentation basically means you know, to expand. So everything to make in abundance, which is principle Nut. I think more are people of this principle, you know, you're what we know as Ama Virgo or / Virgo Pisces people. Mostly it's those kind of people that can make something small, maybe a meal, ibe into engafida a lot of people. Langithi kule ncwadi le yabo bathi uBrajay he had 5 loaves and 2 fish, right?
Bengifuna kusho ukuthi boJesu, yeah.
So yilabo bantu wena khehla inzala bantu, they're able to make something encane and make it into expansion, you know. So sizosebenzisa loyo moya. So whatever it is, you know, this is a perfect time or the opportune time ukuthi whatever ideas that you had, the seeds that you planted, hibernation lena. Now this is the time now, uzoy amplifier, you know, because the moya make sure that anything that you are planning, anything, it comes to fruition, it becomes successful. So Meslock is every day on 6 a.m. now on 6 p.m. when I catch that. You know, but in unity when I'm feel as a black people, and especially Tina Abelati or all healers, you know, whether contemporary healer, whether Togoza Goko or but we need to be passing or elevate, you know, emoyen state so that is collective thing we need to do, you know. We're relying on other people, whereas we need to be self-reliant, you know. We can't be now relying on our enemies, you know. And we know we've been in a spiritual war. So for all healers, let's cut lessons along with your own manifestations, but let's cut less. That unit, it needs to happen because until we get to a point where we understand our liberation, our healing, and our progression is all figure so that we will be doing, we'll be speaking to that, you know, along with whatever manifestation or projects that you are busy with. But it is the beginning and the end, the alpha and omega. I think I understand that when you're speaking it in a religious sense, I need to alpha and omega moya or that can make anything and everything happen. So kulesikhathi leso wena Khehla, make sure that uyawusebenzisa lo moya to your highest ability mkhulu. But again, kune ceremony, what the ancients used to do, what we are trying to do as a people as well. On the final day mkhulu, because unuthi njengoba ngisho ukuthi that's the principle ehlanganisa wonke lama principle. So there's a ritual that we do where we speaking, we it's called the vocal hours, le ceremony mkhulu. So every hour from sunset 2022, there's a process, and offerings and rituals that we do to all principles, So taqala hour 1, the songs ayo, So usually siyalindela thina and hoping sizoba eMpumalanga. Ngizwe one of the ads ukuthi there's something happening lapho eMpumalanga. I think 23 up until 25. But yeah, it is still on that one. But this is the process that we do now when we welcome the sun back into the southern hemisphere. So hopefully, Mpumalanga, yeah, I'll put it on social to those maybe bafuna ukuhamba nathi, but tinabanye sohamba, I'm sure for 7 days up until the 23 or the 24th, so lapho eMpumalanga. But just doing these principles, skupula wona lo moya, because even the ancients, Baya Shoguti, when you say my name, you keep me alive. I think most people would ask Guti, okay, how often does a person pass? How often do we do these things? So the more ubi that one lomoya, especially in season, it's the more you keep loyo moya alive, and it's the more now uba in resonance with it. And I think since we're at the end of our calendar, askalanga New Year, but hopefully so you complete the cycle lane mkhulu. But this is the final, this is our 12th season of the year. But we're still in, I think, month 8 now, ne?
Yeah.
But six in May, we are on the 12th month of our year mkhulu. I think it's in Lapo, so I can attend to your questions. I'm sure you have questions.
Ngokunika le one lele baleke kakhulu la lokunye uzamile kufihla uqale wathi inyanga yokugcina wabuyela waphenza wathi inyanga yokujola wabuyela emuva lokhu ngijabulisile ukhulumena ngalo ukuthi okay onke lama cosmic akhona mawungabuka la yes sinemakhata sinokushisa sinemoya nemvula iyana lokusho konke vele ku aligned le ngingafuna ukuthola asicale kule ndzaba yokudla kuqala because ukhulume ngekudla lokubalekile uma umuntu afastile kufuna adle ukudla lokunjani because ushilo ukuthi okay just akadli between ekseni nanzambama but makafastile lokudla ngikuphi lokudliwa kwasicale lapho.
All right, cool. So ukuba strict ne kahle. So the diet yale season lena ngoba we need to now sixhumane nomoya kakhulu mkhulu. So the best diet is raw vegan. Okay. But if you can't vegan, pegi we right. But if you can't vegetarian, so stay away from izinto that make your spirits heavy, yabo.
Okay.
Asidleli ukusutha ngoba mele sathende namaphupho njengoba ngishilo ukuthi this is the cosmic color kule season lena. So our third eye needs to be very sharp kule season lena. We need to attend amaphupho wethu, uma at uhlele kahle, because we're using the purple stone season yama at which speaks to dream space. So now again we're using another blue stone because now we need to so thola lama downloads lawa swadingayo mkhulu, because now siyaqeda ngithi even now whatever cycles mele swarepe nawo because singena ebusheni singena in the new season. So everything that we needed to be working on, everything ekumele sishanyele sayishanyela kule season lena, because now we at the end but we're at the beginning at the same time. So raqedanga le yama perfect partner. So mesibheka in the literature mkhulu mebakhuluma ngo-Nut no Gap, it's that union bathi no Ra himself could not break. So that is why if you see the depictions, those will be getting my ebook. Nizobona the depiction, but it's the dome shape la uGap ulaphathi, uNut is the shape bent over uGap. So bekudingakala ukuthi umoya uze to separate the two. So speaking of Virgo and Pisces, so that is like in Kemet literature, that is one of the divine unions that you will find. So yes, those are Bafuna, Bo Virgo, Bo Pisces. If you want your soulmate, find that perfect person for yourself. Yes, it's usually the unbreakable bonds, in the Benya Yabo Matandana. But also we know good in the soulmate when the soulmate doesn't come with peace all the time. The soulmate is there to help you elevate to your higher self, So sometimes your soulmate is okay, that's not all rosy and lovey-dovey and all of that. but it's there to hurt you into you rising into your Heru self. So I'm cool. So the diet, so eat light. We eat between so don't do nama meal replacement in between, because it's best way like I was no boy, so stay away from your porks, your inyama into just stay away from that. Be on a vegetarian diet, and then you'll eat again your other stuff after. So was cool.
Lengafuna ukuthola ngoba lengunotisile la kulokuphahla loku awuphahleli individual yonke into ifuna ibe collective ngaba nemisebenzi yasekhaya ukuthi kuphahlelwa imndeni sibekise ngebantu la abasanzanayo awubi wedwana la ngifuna ukuthola ukuthi umuntu angaphahlela yena yedwana ovele nje ufuna ukuthi ifakele lomunye umuntu anisibekise nge relationships sibekisa ngemndeni la sikhulumela ngebantu labamnyama so awuphahleli wedwana vele angeke kwendeke.
Mkhulu, uphahla wedwa ungaphahla wedwa, but since we're people who understand frequency mkhulu, so it's always great. Abona manje uthathe a very important, ngoba siyajumpa sifuna ukulungisa isizwe, but we haven't fixed our own families, So right wena mkhulu lapho ukuthi it would be really great collectively if you can uphahle nefamily yakho or uphahlele umndeni wakho, siqale lapho i-black unity or i-black healing, because we are usually outliers kuma family wethu, abanye bethu abazali basasota nani, but singamadimoni abazi ukuthi senzani, but wena mawukhethiwe kini, le content le mayifika kuwe, it was your divine responsibility. It's your divine responsibility to black people as well, It's okay, we tolile lena. So it would be nice if we can collectively depend on, even in your own phone, even if you're not going to join our WhatsApp call or Zoom call, whatever platform we'll be using, but more lab, we have good 6 a.m. we are past nati. So I do implore you to please get the ebook, or past nati. Uthola umphahlwa khona, so uzola kumnandi umphahlwa khona 6 p.m. ya phahla. Njengoba a prime example I can give you namkhulu. Our other kids, siyazi ukuthi Friday mkhulu abanandaba ukuthi wena uphethe imillion uphethe malini. Friday ngo-12 bayavala ngoba bayothandaza collectively together, so abanandaba ukuthi wena yazini ifoni yakho imoshakele or wena udinga ama-lentils, abanandaba 12 o'clock it's time for us ukuthi sithandaze, and they collectively do that. So that is why uyabona economically abantu who are aligned more wena mkhulu with the spiritual practices, economy yabo it flows better. Nasemajele, even umuntu oyi-Muslim ejele, they're more respected, because bayazi ukuthi I need my food to be halal, So that is the kind of power you get. Most souls understand, and Tinashem collectively as a race, as God has understand, it's fragmented, Kwamanje, njengoba bengisho ukuthi sibheke kwamanye ama-races to come rescue us again, and still don't understand ukuthi those who feed you will control you.
Yes.
So until we get to a point where we understand until Tina we can get it to black love, black unity. It's game over for a lot of things, and it's game on for us. So
ku social media sikulandzela njani ne podcast yenu silandzela njani?
Okay, on social media, YouTube, podcast ikona, it's Stoned Queer Podcast. So STONED space queer QUEER. And in podcast, I'm sure banding to Sayazi. And then on all social medias, I Sugananga, Stoned Queer Podcast, on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook. And for those fans who are not event way, to please follow us on social media. Ngoba post a lot for the events that we'll be having. And for those maybe who want to join us from Gauteng, we are in Mpumalanga as well. So I'm feeling bonging and the divine work that you're doing.
No, kubonga thina sita decide ukuthi kufonela ngale new year le usitshele ukuthi udubule njani ma cricket kumbe kuta decide wena ukuthi uta la because sekusonzele. So I think 23 days so sitobona ngawo sibongile. Ipizza breakfast ku 104.1 the pumping beat of a gas Ngoko Muhadi siba naye la ku alignment time asiletheleke naye ikhalenda yakwantu lesayicamba mina naye ke lecala la icala ihamba ngemoya.